Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the speed ramp effect in Premiere Pro. On this channel, we provide filmmaking tutorials and tips and tricks, as well as doing some product reviews, so if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the tutorial, I just want to provide one tip when shooting that will help with the speed ramp effect when slowing the footage down, and that is to shoot at a higher frame rate. Shooting at 60 frames per second or higher will help to make the speed ramp buttery smooth when slowing it down. For this example, I've dragged a video clip onto the timeline, and the first thing we need to do is to expand our video track. So just drag the top of the video track upwards until you can see this line. Now right-click on the FX square at the top left corner of the video clip, and then scroll down to Time Remapping, and then over to Speed and select it. Now we want to find the part of our clip where we would like the speed ramp to start, and I'm going to start mine right here. We need to add a keyframe to our clip, and there are a few different ways to do this. The first way is to use the pen tool in the tool panel, or by pressing the P key on the keyboard to select the pen tool, and then clicking on the line to place the keyframe. The second way is to hit the little keyframe button just to the left of our video clip, and it will place a keyframe wherever the playhead is. And the last way is to make sure our selection tool is selected in the tool panel, or by pressing the V button on the keyboard to select it, and then hold down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac and click on the line where you want to place the keyframe. Now that we have our keyframe on the clip, we can drag the line after the keyframe to change our speed. To speed up the clip, drag the line up, and to slow down the clip, drag the line down. I'm going to drag my line down to slow down my speed in this section. Okay, now the clip slows down when it gets to that keyframe, but the speed change is instant, and I like it to change speeds a little smoother. In order to do this, we can drag the second half of our keyframe to the right, creating the speed ramp. Just keep in mind the length that we drag it out to will determine the length it takes the speed ramp speed to change over time. Now we have our speed ramp and the speed slows down gradually, but we can smooth out our speed ramp even more. To do this, select one of the halves of the keyframe until you can see this point with handles. If you're slowing down the speed like I am, drag the bottom handle to the right to make the speed ramp more smooth like this. Now we have a very nice looking speed ramp and our clip slows down smoothly. Okay, now we would like to bring the speed of our clip back up before it ends, and to do that we're going to find the spot where we would like it to ramp back up and add a keyframe. So hold down Control and click on the line where you want the ramp to start and add the keyframe. Now drag the line after the keyframe up until it's back up to 100%. Then grab the second half of the keyframe and drag it to the right to create the ramp. Now smooth out the ramp by dragging the bottom handle to the left. Now my clip starts at regular speed, then ramps down to slow motion before ramping back up to regular speed. One thing I should mention is that even though we're done our speed ramp here, we can still adjust the length of the ramps, we can change the speeds of the clip, and pretty much fine-tune anything that we want to within the clip. I hope this video helps you guys with using the speed ramp effect in Premiere Pro. If you guys found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, as it really does help YouTube push my videos to a larger audience. Thanks for watching today's video, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.